The chameleons are among the animals that have an exceptional talent of changing their skin color. But have you ever wondered how do these reptiles change their skin color and blend into their environment without any effort? Well, in this video, we are talking about this mind-blowing ability of chameleons. So how do chameleons change their skin color? The simple answer is the presence of specialized cells like melanophores and iridophores. These are found within a deep layer of their skin. The melanophores are the cells that contain melanin, the pigment present in their skin. The melanin is able to condense to give dark color and disperse to give light color. The iridophores are the cells that contain nanocrystals. These are transparent and made up of guanine, one of the 4 bases that make up DNA. The nanocrystals form a structure which can become more loosely and densely packed as the nanocrystals move towards and away from each other. When these crystals are tightly packed, they reflect blue and green wavelengths of light. But when these crystals become loosely packed, they reflect red, orange, and yellow wavelengths of light. This allows them to change their skin color from bright to dark. But why do they change their skin color? Well, there is a misconception that chameleons change their skin color to hide themselves from predator. Well, definitely it helps them to hide, but color changing is not just about hiding. It's a form of communication and way of expressing their moods and intentions. It also allows them to regulate temperature. In the cold environment, chameleons become dark to absorb more heat. In the warm environment, they become bright to reflect the sunlight. Sometimes males become bright to show their dominance and become dark to show aggression. They also change colors when they are excited or relaxed or when they are fighting. But it doesn't mean that chameleons never change their color to camouflage themselves. However, some people believe that chameleons are able to blend into any background or pattern. But chameleons are only able to make small adjustments in their color to adjust to their environment. And it definitely helps them to avoid predator. So now you know how and why chameleons change their skin color. If you find this video informative, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.